What if your entire income came from free tools, no initial investment, no paid software subscriptions, just free AI tools and the right knowledge of how to apply them? Here are 5 income streams that work exactly that way in 2026. The barrier to earning money online in 2026 is lower than it has ever been. The software cost that used to be a real obstacle to starting a creative or technical business has largely disappeared. What remains is the knowledge of which model to choose and the consistency to build it. Here are 5 that are producing real income for real people using only the free tools this channel covers. First, freelance writing using Claude's free tier. The workflow: describe the client brief to Claude, generate a strong first draft, then apply your own editing, expertise, and voice to the output. The AI handles the structural starting point. Your knowledge and judgment handle the quality and accuracy. Fiverr and Upwork both show strong demand for AI-assisted blog posts, email sequences, website copy, and marketing content. Clients care about the output, not the process. Realistic monthly range: $500 to $3,000, depending on your niche, how many clients you take on, and how specialized the work is. Technical writing in regulated industries pay more than general content. Second, a faceless YouTube channel built entirely on free tools. ElevenLabs for AI narration, Canva AI for thumbnails and graphics, DaVinci Resolve for editing, Pexels for free stock footage, zero equipment cost, zero software subscription. The channel you are watching right now uses this exact stack. At 10,000 subscribers, AdSense revenue, affiliate commissions, and early sponsorships combine to produce $500 to $2,000 a month. The ramp takes time to build. The ongoing tool cost stays at zero. Third, selling 3-dimensional assets. Use the current version of Meshy AI to generate base mesh geometry. Bring it into Blender for refinement and texturing. Then list the finished asset on Sketchfab, TurboSquid, or the Unity Asset Store. One important clarification: this income stream requires the Meshy Pro plan at $20 a month. The free tier uses CC-BY 4.0 licensing, meaning your models are public and require attribution from buyers. For commercial asset sales, private ownership of the output is essential, and that starts at the Pro tier. At 20 asset packs priced at $10 each per month, the gross comes to $200. Scale asset quality and volume from there. Your only ongoing cost is the $20 Meshy subscription. Fourth, building and selling small utility apps using the free development stack. Claude for product planning and architecture, V0 for front-end interface generation, Cursor Hobby for back-end logic, Supabase for the database, Vercel for hosting. The entire build stack costs $0. Build a small utility that solves one specific recurring problem for a defined audience. Charge a monthly subscription. Even 50 paying users at $10 per month generates $500 in monthly recurring revenue. Build it once. The tool stack underneath costs nothing to maintain. Fifth, AI prompt engineering and consulting. This is one of the fastest growing freelance categories in 2026, and the entire service costs you nothing to deliver. Businesses know they need to use AI. Most do not know how to prompt it effectively for their specific workflows. You charge for that knowledge. Services include building custom prompt libraries for specific industries, setting up Claude or ChatGPT workflows for content teams, training staff on effective AI interaction, and auditing existing AI implementations for quality and cost efficiency. Gumroad allows you to sell packaged prompt libraries as digital products with zero upfront cost. Fiverr has growing demand for custom AI workflow setup, and consulting day rates for AI specialists are currently running well above standard freelance rates in most markets. The tools are free, the knowledge is the product. 5 income streams, 5 different effort and skill profiles, freelance writing for fast start, YouTube for long-term compounding income, asset sales for creative professionals, micro apps for passive revenue, prompt consulting for high-earning knowledge work. Every single one starts with free tools. Every single one scales with effort and consistency. Subscribe for more practical income and tool guides every week. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 fits your situation most closely? See you next time.